want to show you a great portable welding table made by SteelTech. Comes to you pre-assembled, no assembly required. Pull it out of the box. That's all it takes. This is SteelTech's portable welding table. The dimensions are 20 by 42. It's got a 500-pound weight capacity. This table works in a big shop, a small garage. It's easy to use. There's no assembly required. Simply pull it up. Weighs 34 pounds. Take it where you want to go. Okay, I want to show you how easy it is to set this table up and weld something. All you got to do is ground yourself to your table, grab something to weld with, put some of my safety stuff on. What's nice about this little table is you don't have to clamp your ground to your part. Just clamp it to the table, it carries to the table. And you can also put clamps, magnets right to the top of the table using the holes in the expanded metal. There's 3/4 expanded metal in here, so it's a very strong table. It's also a great bench to take with you camping. It works great for a barbecue. You can use it over by your car when you're working on things. We also make a sheet metal cover made out of 18-gauge cold rolled steel that goes over this table and turns it into a solid surface work area. So there's many of options you can use with this table and things you can do. Best yet, when you don't need it, you fold it up and you get it out of the way. You can visit us at SteelTechFab.biz and SteelTechWorkbenches.com and take a look at some of the other products that SteelTech makes. SteelTech likes to test their products. We don't recommend you trying this on your own, but take a look at this picture.